Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're gonna continue working on part 18 of this house build. Let's get started. So in the last video, we were able to create our site. So basically, we added our floor and then we added some houses on the sides. Now we're just going to continue on this. And then we're gonna do some cleanups as well. So we're gonna add some details on others. So here I'm gonna go to ground, and maybe I'm gonna split this, so SL, and then right here. So we give an opening onto this. So their driveway, of course, it's not gonna be visible, but we'll be able to add some cars when we're doing a walkthrough. And also we're going to add something here. So select this one, CS, that's floor number 12, and that's a grass floor. So we're gonna add grass on this side as well. So we added that grass, and we're gonna see how this one looks. I'm still good with this, but I would like to lower it a bit. I'm thinking of maybe putting it a little bit below. I'm just trying to see if I'm be able to select this one. So maybe 20,000 instead. Let me modify this. And then just type in 20,000. I think that's good enough. Not too high, not too low. 20,000. And then in the ground, we're going to create a model in place so that we could add some side streets here, or sidewalk, sorry. So here, let's go to component, model in place, and then we're gonna choose generic model, press OK, and we're gonna create an extrusion. We're gonna set it, pick a plane, and we're gonna select this right here. And then here we're going to create, let's do it on this side first. Here we're going to do 2,000 and then 2,000 on the other side. And then here we're gonna just do maybe 150 in terms of the height, and then here we're going to do 2,000 as well. There we go. And then we're gonna create a curve on this, so don't worry. I just want to see the look. And then we're gonna create this one as well on this side. Copy. There we go. And then now we need to click fillet arc, and we're just going to arc this one. Maybe 1600 is the proper arc size for this. And then we could just clean it up later on. select this 1600 and then 1600 here as well. So click finish, and then let's look at it at 3D. And then of course it's not grass, so we need to create maybe one of the concrete. So concrete, select this but duplicate it, apply, okay, and then let's copy this for sure because we're going to add something here to add some details. I'm probably going to push this back a little bit, so I'm gonna create an extrusion and then push this back a little, just because I don't want it to I just want to have it all the way to the back like that. And something like that. We can even offset this, so maybe just 100, so that it's not too much. And I believe it's touching all the way here, but we're gonna add in some details right here. So I'm just gonna click finish and see how this one looks. I'm just going to add this one all the way here. Don't attach, and then just cleaning up all those gaps. And then we could select this again, edit in place, and the way we're gonna do it is sweep and then pick path. I'm going to select this path first. So unfortunately we need to do it something like this because we have different sweep areas. So one here, one also here, here, and here. So there's 4 here and 5 on the other side, and then the number 5 on the other side. So edit profile, and then you want to make sure to paste the material that we use on the other side. And then here we need to be consistent and just add this one like that. In terms of, let's make it 50, and then let's arc it. In terms of arc, we have maybe 20, so that's good enough. There we go. Then we need to do it on the other side. Sweep is good, and then we need to do another one. Edit this one, create sweep again, pick path, there we go. I think that's good enough. Go here, edit, and then this is 50. And then 20 on the arc. And then click finish, and then finish. So that's good with that. I'm probably going to move this one all the way here, so I'm gonna do that later on. So this 2 is good. Now we're gonna do on this side, create sweep, pick path first, select 3D, and do all the sides right here. Click finish on that, edit profile, and then create your profile. This one is 50, and then arc it by 20. Hit finish, and then finish. Do it on this side again. Pick path. Select all the sides. I think that's good enough there. Click finish, edit profile, select create the profile. This one's 50, and then 20 for the arc. And then click finish. And then lastly, we're gonna create one long one on the other side. So now pick path. There's only one long one, edit profile. Select this, look for this. This one's 50, and then the arc. And then type in 20, and then click finish, and then finish. And with the simple look like that, as you can see, you make it much better. And then let's fix some of the issues we have here. I'm going to align it to this and join, and then align it here. So that's good, very simple. And then we're just gonna fill this one with some trees all throughout, and then at the back as well. So different kind of, and then maybe here we're gonna put in some bushes, so we could change this to grass on this side. So I'm just going to leave it like that, and then trim this one out, and then trim here. And then I'm gonna select this CS, and we're going to add grass part here. And we want to make sure that everything is aligned so that we don't have gap. Click finish, and then don't worry about overlapping. It's not something that we're gonna be seeing a lot. So we have some plants that we're gonna add here, bushes, and just to cover up. You don't need all the details here. It's a very simple house. It's only for background purpose. And then we're gonna fill this one with trees as well. So we're good with this. Let's go to ground. I want to set our starting view. So every time we open our project, I want to see this. So, and also this is the one that we're gonna render later on. So click camera, and then let's select here, and then this is the view range. So make sure all the way to the back if you want, so that you'll see everything. And then here we can change this to realistic, and then you can rotate this if you want to. So in terms of here, realistic, and then as you can see, we have a good background because everything is, we have a background on this side and on the other side as well. So that looks good. So even though we haven't set the materials yet, the proper materials, but that's fine because we're going to be able to see it in Twinmotion. So now to set that one, we need to go to manage, and we need to click on the starting view, and this is 3D view number 1, so we need to choose this. So 3D view 1. So this is what they're gonna be able to see when they open our project. So you can save that one, and then next thing we're gonna do is just go to 3D, and I want to add a door onto this one. Let's create, or let's just add a simple door like that, and maybe another one onto this part. There we go. So at least we have some door there. Go to ground and just copy this. There we go. And then add something here so that to be consistent. And then just flip this one. Flip this one out. And we have those details done. We're good to go. And we could start separating the room. So we have this room separator. We have room here, family room. We have kitchen here, so we could just separate this one, and then maybe separate this one as well. We have the stairs right there, and then right here. We have one right here as well. So we have, actually we could just have delete this and then just have this one right here. We could just delete this. So we have this one for our dining area. We have our foyer here, powder room, and those kind of stuff. Let's go to level 2 to see our changes. Let's pick none. We have the open below here that you need to add, and then just corridor right here. So we're good. We can add in room. So we could add, actually just delete this first. We're gonna add something here, because some of them and then we're just going to just simply add those parts right there. We need to delete this, we need to close this off. So basically room tag, this one, this is our playroom. We have some tags here already, so just show the tag. Stairs, this is our powder room. Foyer, this is our carport, and then here we just need to add tag room. This is our pantry, this is our kitchen, We need to separate this actually. So room separator, I'm going to just add we need to connect it to a wall right here. So now this is the room for our living. And then this will be kitchen. You can put kitchen and breakfast nook. This is needs this is driver, and this one is our dining. Playroom, carport, foyer, stairs, powder room, and then we have level 2 that we could add rooms. So we already have rooms there. We just need to add home office, family room, corridor, bedroom 2, walk-in closet, ensuite. That's fine. Bedroom 1. This is our master's bedroom. Washroom 2, and we're good with all the tags, room tags, and all those kind of stuff. And then in the next video we'll be able to just create our sheets, and I'll show you how to create that. So thank you for watching and hope you like the video. Please hit like and subscribe. Feel free to comment down below.